Hey friends, if you wish to change text caret cursor blink timeout in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Now on the list on the left hand side, scroll to this path H key current user, control panel and desktop. Now in desktop, in the right pane, you'll find a lot of options. One of the options is caret timeout. Double click on it and make sure that it is selected with base at decimal. Now this value here is the number of milliseconds. So 5000 milliseconds means 5 seconds. So if you wish to change it to 6000 milliseconds, you can simply change the value to 6000, and 6000 milliseconds basically means 6000 seconds. Sorry, 6 seconds. Click on OK to save the settings and then close it and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.